Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so you've got no water flow, and we need to replace the solenoid because the solenoid is bad. First, let's unhook the charger cord. We're going to unplug the machine. And now there are 4 Torx 30 screws that we have to take off to get this back panel off. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to unhook the charger from the machine itself. So we've got to take these screws out that are holding the charger to the panel. Lift the charger up. And now we can unhook it. And move the panel out of the way. Okay, so your solenoid is located right here, the bottom left of the machine. What we're going to do now is we are going to unhook the solution tube, set that down, and now we can unplug the solenoid. Just like that. And all you have to do is pull the solenoid out, just like that. Okay, after removing the solenoid, what we're going to do now is we are going to take out the batteries. Just like that. Push them over to the side. Okay, these extra steps, we're going to remove the recovery tank lid, set that off to the side, and we're going to remove the recovery tank as well. Just like that. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to take these 2 Torx 30 screws plus this 13mm or 1/2 inch nut and bolt out. Just like that. Okay, next what we want to do is we're going to cut this zip tie right here. And then we're going to take the 2 hoses and just remove them like that. Now you want to take the cable and get it like that. Okay, now what we want to do, there are 2 Torx 30 screws on the inside of the battery compartment that have to come out. Just like that. Now we can take our new solenoid and make sure that the arrow is pointed in the direction of the water flow. Okay, now that we have the solenoid back in place, we're going to plug it back in. And then we're going to hook the solution line back up. Just like that. Now what we want to do is take those 2 Torx 30 screws and put them back in on the sides. Okay, now that we got the Torx 30 screws back in, now we can take the batteries and put them back in as well. Just like that. Okay, now what we want to do, we're going to put the hoses back in. And now we're going to take our Torx 30 and we are going to put our screws back in. Then we're going to take our 13 mil or 1/2 inch nut and bolt and washers and put those back in. Now remember, it goes rubber washer first. Just like that. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to put the cable back in, like that, and then we're going to re-zip tie the cable back down to the frame. And now cut your zip tie. Just like that. Okay, now let's re-plug in the charger. And then we're going to attach it to the back panel. Just like that. Now, you want to take your charger plug and plug it back in. And then we're going to tuck all these wires inside the battery compartment. Okay, now we want to plug the machine back in. And then we can take our power cord and re-wrap it. Just like that. Okay, last but not least, we're going to replace the recovery tank and your recovery tank lid. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.